The Professional Development Retreat is an opportunity that we offer 60 students twice a year, our seniors in the fall and our juniors in the spring. This is aimed at connecting their strengths with the skills that they've learned through internships, through academics, through research, and then how do they articulate that to employers and present themselves in interviews, in networking sessions, and in the professional setting. The Professional Development Retreat is 2 days long. It's a fairly intensive program. We do take students into downtown Boston, so they are immediately dropped into a setting where the professional development and the environment has really amped them up. So they're already in the mindset of somewhere different and kind of out of their comfort zone. Professional Development Retreat is meant for all students at Merrimack. All students of all majors, all genders, all backgrounds, extroverts, introverts. Again, anyone who really would like to polish their professional skills, their strengths, those soft skills like communication and teamwork, and really put their best foot forward when it comes to interviewing.
I've learned a lot about myself, so not only my strengths, but my weaknesses and how we can change weaknesses to sort of be strengths and how we can acknowledge them, to work on them, to try and just better our overall standing as a person to employers and just best present ourselves to companies. It's a huge opportunity. It's built so perfectly and it's such a good balance. You do get the skills, so I think it's very effective.
I wanted to give back as an alumni back to Merrimack. I thought as a student it gave me a lot, it prepared me for the corporate world, and I feel like giving back to the students can only help them in their endeavors in their careers. This professional development retreat, it allows them to really practice their skills and gives them tools to allow them to have good interview skills, to identify who they are as a person, to have the networking capabilities and confidence to talk to people that maybe they wouldn't have if they hadn't come to this retreat.
So at the PDR, I've learned a lot of things. I've learned how not only to interact with fellow students, but also how to interact with professionals in your field or outside of your field. Being able to take different skills that we learn here and being able to apply them and how to speak to different professionals in your field, how to grow those connections and how to really take advantage of that to help you in your future career. It's definitely one of the best experiences that I can take from Merrimack.